Congratulations and welcome to the family of Oil and Gas Engineering Program of University Malaysia Sabah. In this video, you will get to know an overview of the program structure, facilities, students' clubs and others information.
Bachelor of Oil and Gas Engineering program is a 4 years full-time program. This program covers fundamental of upstream and midstream in oil and gas industry. Activities include design, development and operation for system in extracting, processing and transporting crude oil and gas. Student will develop skills to tackle multidisciplinary problems and work effectively in a team and or individually. This program will have direct industry involvement including industry advisory panels, guest lectures, field trips, site visits, networking and careers events, and industry-supported student projects.
Here are overview of the upstream, midstream and downstream activities in oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry is usually divided into 3 major components: upstream, midstream and downstream. Upstream refers to points in production that originate early on in the processes. Often applied to the oil and gas industry, upstream activities include exploration, drilling, and extraction. The midstream sector involves the transportation, storage, and wholesale marketing of crude or refined petroleum products. Pipelines and other transport systems can be used to move crude oil from production sites to refineries and deliver the various refined products to downstream distributors. Downstream operations are the processes involved in converting oil and gas into the finished product. These include refining crude oil into gasoline, natural gas liquids, diesel, and a variety of other energy sources. The philosophy of the program is in line with the university and the national education philosophy. Whatever method or practice that is good for the student, the program will adopt, while ensuring it is within practicable means to achieve it. The program aims to be the world-class oil and gas engineering program in teaching and training our students with the latest technology and engineering skills on both theoretical and practical aspects, and enabling them to become highly confident, creative, knowledgeable and capable engineers in problem solving. This will be undergirded by excellence and innovation in research activities at the graduate level. By performing the mission, in the next 5 years we hope to be the engine of industrial growth by providing solution to value-added commodities at the state and national levels. University Malaysia Sabah vision is strives to be an innovative university of global standing. The university mission on the other hand is strives to achieve academic excellence and international recognition through its attention to learning and teaching, research and publications, social services and balance in knowledge specialization. The university also prioritizes the personal growth of its students, resulting in greater innovation and productivity for the benefit of society and the nation as a whole. Stakeholder can be defined as a party that has an interest in a company and can either affect or be affected by the business. In our program case, the stakeholders are the faculty, the students and the industry. The industry that mostly has affect to our program is industry that link with Petronas, Repsol, Shell and other oil and gas industry. The industry also involved in our program as panel advisor and in industrial training activities. The program also has affiliation in IEM, SPE and ICHEME. Here are the program detail. Upon completion of the program, the final award that the student will receive is Bachelor of Oil and Gas Engineering with honors. For your information, this program was started in 2018 and we are still in the process of getting accreditation from Board of Engineer Malaysia and Engineering Accreditation Council. The duration of the program is 4 years or more than 4 years but up to only 6 years if the student face problems such as semester deferment and so on. There are various career paths that can be taken by those graduated in Bachelor of Oil and Gas Engineering program. You can choose to be as reservoir engineer, safety engineer, drilling engineer and so on. For now we have 9 in total of academic staff, which consists of 1 professor, 1 fellow, 5 senior lecturers and 2 lecturers. The program coordinator is Dr. Emma. Here are the summary of the credit hours fraction for this program. The university course core is 19 credit hours, program core is 107 credit hours and 9 credit hours for the elective. Here are the summary of the course structure for intake 2020-2021. For this semester you need to register for 2 university core courses, which philosophy and contemporary issues to be taken by local student and Malay language for communication 2 for international student. The other university core course is oral communication in English or English for creative communication, which depends on your MUET result. The student also need to take 1 co-curriculum course. For the program core course, this semester student need to take 4 courses. Calculus, Engineering Workshop, Applied Mechanics, and Introduction to Oil and Gas Engineering. However, due to COVID-19 pandemic, some of the course which involve practical and hand-on might be changed. Student will be informed from time to time regarding changes in course offer. Shown here is the elective courses that need to be taken in Year 4. There are 2 important courses that you need to take attention in Year 4. The Field Development Project and the Final Year Project. Further detail on these 2 courses will be explained in Year 4. Industrial training will be conducted in Year 3 during the long semester break. Students are required to undergo industrial training for 10 weeks. You need to pay attention that the student are responsible to find placement with the guidance of industrial training coordinator. The semester system in the university is explained as follows. 1 academic year is equivalent to 2 semesters or 2 semesters plus 1 short semester. The short semester is for the student to repeat courses if necessary. However, so far, our program have not conducted any short semester yet. 1 semester is equivalent to 14 weeks of lectures, 1 week of mid-semester break and 2 to 3 final examination week. However, during this COVID-19 pandemic, most of the final examination was converted into online tests instead. These are the academic calendar for Semester 1 Session 2020-2021. You also can find this calendar in BPA website. The examination system we practices here can be summarized as shown in this flow chart. The announcement on the matter related to examination can be found in SMP website and BPA website. Shall there is a case where student could not attend the final examination, student might request to retake the examination with different set of questions. The only possible reason that can be considered for examination suspension are those that has health issue. Medical certificate or medical letter must be provided when requesting for the reset of examination. The others reason that are acceptable for examination suspension is those that has family emergency involving the loss of family members. Other cases can be considered subject to deemed considerations. If student fails to attend the replacement without concrete reason, the student will get grade F and must retake the course. Cheating in examination is a serious offense. Students who get caught cheating during final exam will be sent to UMS court. Student who is found guilty according to AUKU will be given grade F. There is also a case where student might be forbid to sit for final examination. Those that forbid to sit for the exam are student that missed one of the course assessment without reasonable excuses and student missed lecture or tutorial session without reasonable excuse or deemed consent. Student can request for grade reassessment of a particular course within 2 weeks after the final grade has been issued. The fee for the reassessment grade is 100 ringgit. Outcome-based education or OBE is an education reform model. It frames itself as a student-centered learning philosophy that focuses on empirically measuring student performance, called outcomes. The outcomes will be designed to be in line with UMS vision and mission. Within the OBE, lies 3 PEO. PEO is Program Education Objective. These PEO is mapped to the PO, which is Program Outcomes. The PO is mapped to the CO, which is Course Outcome. These are example of how PO map to the CO. These are explanation of the PEO. PEO1 is professionalism, PEO2 is continuous professional development, and PEO3 is corporate societal responsibility. The detail of this also can be found in your handbook. There are 12 PO of the program. The PO1 is knowledge, PO2 is problem analysis, PO3 is design or development of solution. The PO4 is investigation, PO5 is modern tool use, PO6 is the engineer and society. The PO7 is environment and sustainability, PO8 is professional ethics, PO9 is individual and teamwork. The PO10 is communication, PO11 is project management and finance, PO12 is lifelong learning. The attainment of program outcomes by an individual student is produced and printed in a radar graph, also known as a spider web. A spider web illustrates the reporting of all program outcome attainment of a student for each semester. Ultimately, employers are able to make clear judgment and decisions based on the true ability of students' knowledge, skills, and attitude. The Faculty of Engineering UMS is equipped with facilities and laboratories for the teaching and learning activities. These are the teaching laboratories that available in the faculty. Listed here is software type that available and uses by the program for teaching and learning session. These are teaching facilities for the instrumentation and process control. Shown in this pictures here are some instrumentation and equipment that will be used for the separation laboratory. A laboratory assistant will assist the student during the experimental activities in the laboratory. The equipment shown here are available in the laboratory for the separation course. Shown in this figure is equipment and material that available in geology laboratory. Shown in this figure is technology used to check the surface properties of rock and other materials. Equipment shown is magnetometers for geophysics and other applications. This equipment used in exploration of the upstream activities in the oil and gas industry. There is few clubs established in the faculty and university. However, student in oil and gas engineering field is encouraged to join the SPE club. The detail of this club is explained in the next section. And now, the well-recognized student club that related to oil and gas is SPE. SPE is Society of Petroleum Engineer. The club that established at the faculty is supported by Society of Petroleum Engineers, Saba branch. There are many benefits you can get to join the club. Through the club activities, you may develop communication skills, teamwork skills, and many others. The most important is you can gain network for a mentor and receive practical career advice. As student, the program expects you to know and to have a good attitude. There are several rules and etiquette that you need to follow. Number 1 reminder, you need to greet your lecturer with appropriate titles. Number 2 reminder, dress decently and appropriately when attending classes. Number 3 reminder, plan all your extracurricular activities and inform and seek permission from the lecturer concerned beforehand. Number 4 reminder is must submit medical certificate to be recognized as legitimate absence. Attendance and attention is 100%. Number 5, see academic advisors for academic matters, and number 6, see club advisor for organizing any activity. Here are another reminder to the student. If you face problem in term of course registration, please contact or see the faculty admin. Madam Ernie will assist you in the course registration. For the face-to-face class, and if you face any problem related to the class facilities, please see Mr. Carey. Please try your best to seek the right person for issue or problem that you face. Here are some pictures taken during the industrial visit by the students of oil and gas. Thank you for spending time to watch this video. If you have any question, please contact us. All the best to your study. Stay safe everyone. Bye.